Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mira and Rio English, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun.
Hey everyone, I'm Rio. And today, we've got a really fun topic for you. Fun.
Yes, we're talking about something everyone loves having fun.
Exactly. Because life isn't just about work or study, it's also about joy, laughter, and small happy moments.
So true, Rio. Today's topic is what do you do for fun?
And of course, we'll help you learn natural English expressions while talking about hobbies and free time.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, your support really helps us grow and bring you more free English lessons every week.
All right, let's have some fun together and learn English at the same time.
Let's go.
So, Rio, let's start simple. What does fun mean to you?
Good question. For me, fun means enjoying the moment. It's when I forget stress and just feel happy.
I love that. For me, fun means doing something that gives me energy, like painting, dancing, or laughing with friends.
Exactly. Fun doesn't always have to be something big. Even a short walk or listening to music can be fun.
Yes, I think fun is a kind of energy. When we have fun, we feel alive. Alive.
Totally agree. And I think having fun helps us learn better too.
Right. When you enjoy something, your brain remembers it faster.
That's why our lessons are fun, so you can learn English naturally.
Exactly. So let's share some of our favorite fun activities, okay?
Sounds good. Let's start with one of my favorite things, music.
Ah, music. I love music. What kind of music do you like, Rio?
I like pop and rock. Pop music gives me good energy, but rock makes me feel powerful.
Powerful? That's so you. I like pop and jazz. Jazz makes me feel calm and creative.
That's true. Jazz is relaxing. Do you play any instruments, Mira?
Not really. I can play a little bit of piano, just for fun. How about you?
I play guitar. Just a little. I'm not very good, but when I play, I forget everything. Everything.
That's the magic of music. It makes us feel free.
Exactly. And is also great for learning English.
Oh, yes. When you listen to English songs, you can learn new words and pronunciation easily.
Right. You can try repeating the lyrics. It's fun and great practice.
So, listeners, if you love music, here's a simple phrase. I like listening to music in my free time.
Or you can say, music makes me happy. Try saying it with us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Music makes me happy.
Good job.
That's fun already. So besides music, what else do you do for fun, Rio?
Reading. I really enjoy reading.
Oh, me too. Okay, let's talk about that next. So, you like reading, Rio? What kind of books do you read?
I enjoy adventure books. They take me to another world. Sometimes I forget I'm even reading. It feels like I'm there in the story.
Oh, I love that. I like reading self-growth and travel books. They inspire me and give me new ideas.
And that's nice. Reading is not just relaxing. It also helps us learn.
Yes, especially if you read in English. Reading in English improves vocabulary and grammar naturally.
True. And here's a little tip for our listeners. If you're a beginner, try short stories or children's books first.
Or you can read English subtitles while watching a movie. That's reading practice too.
Good idea. So let's try a new sentence. Repeat after us. I like reading in my free time.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I like reading in my free time.
Nice job. Reading is a fun way to relax and grow at the same time.
Exactly. Fun doesn't only mean playing. Learning something new can be fun too.
So, Mira, what's another thing you do for fun?
Oh, definitely cooking. I love trying new recipes every weekend. It's my creative time.
That's cool. What's your favorite dish to cook?
Mmm, pasta. Because it's easy, fast, and always delicious.
Pasta sounds great. I tried making pancakes last week and I burned half of them.
That's okay. Cooking is about trying, not perfection. Mistakes can be fun too.
Yeah, my kitchen looked like a war zone, but I laughed a lot.
That's the spirit. When we cook, we use our hands, our heart, and our creativity.
Exactly. And it's another great English topic. You can say, I enjoy cooking new dishes.
Or, cooking makes me happy. Pause for half a second.
Listeners, say it with us. Cooking makes me happy.
Great job. Cooking with friends or family makes it even better.
True. It's fun, delicious, and you get to eat the result.
After cooking, what's your favorite way to relax, Rio?
Watching movies. I love having movie nights at home with popcorn and soft lights.
That sounds cozy. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy. Action keeps me excited. Comedy makes me laugh. Laughter is medicine.
Oh, yes, I totally agree. I like romantic comedies. They're sweet and funny.
And you can also learn real English from movies.
Yes, the way native speakers talk, their tone, their expressions, it's like a free English class.
Exactly. So listeners, here's another phrase. I love watching movies in English.
Repeat after us. I love watching movies in English.
Nice. And remember, even relaxing can help you learn.
True. When we enjoy what we do, we learn faster and remember longer.
So music, reading, cooking, movies, so many fun ways to live a happy life.
And we're just getting started. Next, let's talk about moving your body, sports, and fun. All right, Rio, let's move our bodies now. Do you like sports?
Oh, yes. I love playing soccer with my friends every weekend. It helps me relax and stay healthy.
That sounds fun. I like yoga and dancing. They make me feel calm and happy.
That's great. You know, sports are not just about competition, they're about connection.
Exactly. When you play or move, your body feels free and your mind feels light.
Totally agree. And it's good English practice, too. You can say, I like playing soccer.
Or, I enjoy doing yoga.
Let's repeat together. I like playing soccer.
I enjoy doing yoga.
Nice work, everyone.
You know, I think movement is one of the best ways to find fun. Even a simple walk outside can change your mood.
True. Sunshine, fresh air, and music in your ears. Perfect combination.
That's happiness right there.
Speaking of fresh air, what about traveling? That's always fun, right?
Oh, yes. Let's talk about that next.
So, Mira, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I'd love to visit Japan. Beautiful culture, amazing food, and peaceful temples. How about you?
I'd love to go to Italy for pizza, beaches, and art.
Food again.
Of course, traveling is about discovering new places and new tastes.
Yes, and it's fun because every trip gives us new stories.
So true. When we travel, we see life from a different angle.
And we meet people who think differently. That's how we grow.
Exactly. So here's a useful phrase. I love traveling to new places.
Repeat after us. I love traveling to new places. Pause for zero point 0.5 seconds.
Great job. Traveling doesn't always mean going far away.
Right, even exploring your own city can be fun. Take a walk, visit a museum, or try a new cafe.
Yes, fun starts where curiosity begins.
Beautifully said, Rio. And speaking of curiosity, What about creative hobbies?
Oh, I love this topic. Let's go.
So, Rio, do you have any creative hobbies?
Hmm. I like photography. I love taking pictures of nature, the sky, the trees, even small flowers.
Wow, that's beautiful. Photography helps us see more, right?
Exactly. When I take photos, I notice small details, the light, the color, the feeling.
That's true art. For me, my creative fun is painting.
Oh, really? That's awesome. What do you paint?
I paint landscapes and sometimes animals. I'm not a professional, but it makes me calm.
That's the key. You don't have to be perfect. Creativity is about expressing yourself.
Yes, it's about enjoying the process, not worrying about the result.
Beautiful. So, listeners, here's your phrase. I like being creative.
Or, painting helps me relax.
Let's say it together. Painting helps me relax.
Perfect.
You see, there are so many ways to have fun.
Yes, and the most important one is the next part, finding fun every day.
Let's talk about that.
You know, Rio, some people say they don't have time for fun.
Yeah, that's sad. Everyone deserves to smile at least once a day.
I agree. Even 15 minutes of something you enjoy can change your day.
True, like listening to a song, reading a few pages, or just watching the sunset.
Exactly. Fun isn't something we wait for, it's something we create.
I love that. So, listeners, make time for joy. You don't need a big plan, just start small.
Yes, fun keeps us happy, healthy, and motivated to learn.
And when you learn with joy, English becomes part of your life.
So, what do you do for fun? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, we love reading your answers, and we might share them in our next video.
All right, everyone. We talked about so many fun things today: music, reading, cooking, movies, sports, traveling, and more.
That's right. Remember, fun looks different for everyone. Find what makes you happy.
And do it often. Even small moments matter.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And tell us in the comments, what do you do for fun? We really want to know.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Remember, learn English, live fully, and always have fun.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.